Welcome to the Wednesday transmission. Last week, I spoke to you about living from true north, the one true state of being, and how that differs when we're in the pre-existing state, the protective states. Today, I'm going to be speaking to you about the body as a map. You see, underneath the protection is emotion, and underneath that emotion, there is a root emotion, which is causing the whole pattern to exist. Now, the body stores this. And today is an opportunity for you, through a guided musical experience, to go into your body, to feel what's there. There might be tension, or tightness, or cold, heat, pain perhaps, something that's telling you that underneath this is what's causing it in the first place. Most of the time, we're on autopilot. We're not listening to the body. Some people have more awareness, others less. But when we're in the heat of the protection, most people are totally disconnected from really sensing what's inside them. So today is an opportunity to still yourself, to come back into presence and to explore what your body wants to show you. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Take a breath. Letting go of any busyness of your day. The average person, in my experience, has hundreds, if not thousands, of pre-existing states. With emotion underneath them. Most of it's hidden in the blind spot. We trained ourselves to desensitize to it. But it's there. It's there and present in the body. Start to scan your body. What has it been trying to show you in moments where you've been too busy to listen? Have a look in your body for the area that pulls you the most. Maybe it's a stronger sensation than the rest. And in this track, I want you to be with this. And ask your heart, what emotion is beneath this sensation? Now, what you found, any emotion here, this could be the entry point to a root healing. And the Wednesday wave is only focused on holding the frequency space for the unanchored to be faced and dissolved. So if there's a root emotion, that'll be anchored. And you can choose to trace that. But for now, allowing yourself to be really present with anything that doesn't need to hold inside your body any longer. Breathe into it. You may start to feel lightness or joy returning in this track. Enjoy this moment. Take a breath. The body is a map, as I shared with you last week. The one true state is what remains when you're no longer pulled out of the center by the pre-existing states. And the first thing you can train yourself in is to become aware of what's in your body. To train that awareness when you're with people, speaking, your partner, your parents, your kids. What are you feeling in your body? When you're at work, when you're presenting your work, what are you feeling inside you? When you're socializing, the map is ever present when you are present yourself. Train yourself to listen to it. Take a breath now. Be in your heart, loving yourself. Right now, loving who you are. If you're enjoying these transmissions, engage with me in the comments. Let me know, what is your experience? What have you felt today? I answer all the comments and I love interacting with you. If you felt that perhaps there was a root emotion that you've uncovered, then feel free to reach out to me to find out what the next steps will be for you to be able to trace this back to the root and to shift this. Thank you for being here with me in the Wednesday transmission. I will see you next week.